Euro pounds. This is a strong move up. I'm gonna look for buys in the Euro pound. Right around this area here. This PRZ would probably break. It's stalling right now, so it's time for us to enter to get into the longs. Hi traders, what you have just watched is our analysis of the Euro pound, which was made in the beginning of the week. And as you can see, we had a long position here, which already is in break even. This is the buy zone as we have predicted. So this is what triggered me in the trade here. When I saw this clear rejection of this long wick that coincides with this demand level here, this is a clear sign of a stop hunt. So it's basically the big boys spiking price down, taking out all the stops, and then reversing in the opposite direction. So we got in here with a fairly small stop, and we're nearing our take profit target. Okay, so our live trade of the Euro pound has just closed out in profit. Pull this is our history of the account. Pull this across. There you go. This is about, this is close to $200 in profit, and it's about 4 times the amount of risk. Yep. So this trade was executed really flawlessly, as we have planned to go along in this area previously in our analysis. And this is an example of a good trade because we followed our trade plan exactly without any hesitation. So thanks for watching, guys.